Hey, this is Travis with Food Force Abundance, Minnesota, and I just want to show you, just finished a grape trellis, 160 feet long, and I have to build one more of these. About, if you can see where that yellow or that orange string is, there's going to be an identical grape trellis right there, which will be finished tomorrow afternoon sometime. But there's what we did. We got 4x4s, cattle panels, T-stakes, and little wire, and 15 grape vines that next spring and summer are going to take over this trellis. And there you go. We build whatever you need. And I don't know, I think it turned out great. And it's going to be beautiful. I want to come back and see it next spring. Well, there's a lot more stuff to plant next spring, so I will see it as it starts to grow. But anyway, have an amazing day, my friends, and grow food, not lawns.